And there's the other lamp. But that lamp, they just gave them to me. But that was the Lord, because the Lord knew that's what I needed. And y'all know I love this mirror here. And it's from Amazon. I have to look behind me. And it's, you see how it looks there? And this was sitting over there on the credenza. But it's hanging there on the wall. And I'm working in my bedroom, but I'm not showing you that yet, because all the things are not here yet. But let's stand back and see. There she is. And Miss Piper, you know, she has to be seen. They took all her babies in there. You see how she turned them up? Piper, you just tear your babies up. Well, Piper said they my babies. Whoa, excuse me, Piper. I can do what I want to do. But you know what? That picture right there, I gotta get another picture to go up there. I love that picture, but it needs to go over here on that wall, because all those colorings are right there. I need something black, gold, and cream to go up here. It's a pretty picture. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. But it would be prettier over there on that wall. Look at all Piper's babies on that wall in that area. Okay. So now, when I do the tour of the house, y'all don't even want to see it. Nah, because you already seen everything. I ain't showed you everything. I just gave you a glimpse. Thank you. Congratulations, sister. God bless. Thank you. My bad, Lisa. It's showing I wasn't subbed. I swear I was. I got you now. You sub to me or LSP? I hope you are. As Bev says, to God be the glory. Yep, to God be the glory. For this right, he blessed Nikki and I. He really did. He blessed us. I guess I'm caught up. I hate being late. Hey, Sandra, how you doing? Sorry, you had to watch the replay, because I showed a few of the things in the house that I have purchased, what I have done so far, how it's coming along. And I really don't think I'm going to put up drapes. I like my windows really just like they are. I know they say drapes set your room off. It makes it, I am a formal type of person. I love formal looking things, but I don't think drapes is what I need in here. I'm not feeling drapes. And then I put them up, I'll be mad, because that's not the look I'm looking for. No. Okay, let me go check on, let's go check on this duck cake. See what's going on with her. $15 minutes. Oh, she's cooking good though. Okay. I'm not gonna open the door on her. I'm gonna give it the next 15 minutes and then we'll go. That little ball